Timo!
Chaos.
Yeah!
Yes,
There we are, man.
There we are.
How are you?
Already Monday.
Already Monday, yeah. There we go. Yeah, it's quite the week, huh?
It's quite a week.
Quite the weekend, quite the day.
And it's already Monday. Yeah, the time flies when you're having fun.
Yeah. Tell me about it. Well, I'm doing nothing at the moment.
You're streaming right now.
We're streaming right now. Yeah, that's totally true. But I had a nice day off today, and I take one day
tomorrow...
off, and the entire world is in shambles.
Yeah, that
what
was
the hell,
funny,
dude?
Though. It was funny though because I sent you the text. Well, there was a how do you say storing again in the
outage?
Crash? There was a crash.
Outage.
Oh, okay, yeah. You said what? What happened?
What?
What?
Yeah, I was just messing about with my own things, but no, I heard suddenly everything went straight to the gutter.
But everything went down, right? Everything
Yeah, a lot of the
Amazon.
things, a lot of government. How do you call it? Gemeentes, municipalities. Yes, there we go.
Yes.
I heard people talking online when you sent it. I heard people talking about they had an appointment at the municipality, and that they said, "Well, sorry, man, can't print your passport today. Bye bye."
Bye bye. So everything went down from Amazon.
A lot of stuff went down. A lot of stuff, and for the people at home thinking, "Oh, what the hell are you talking about?"
Yeah, please, guys, help us out.
Yeah,
Light us.
Apparently, there was an AWS outage today. And for people who don't know what it is, AWS is a cloud provider, Amazon Web Services. That's what it stands for. And apparently, they had a major outage today, which some of their management servers. Basically, that means that everything where management consoles and APIs are being managed, that had a big outage today, and that meant that a lot of services that rely on AWS that they got that they had troubles running today.
That was a big panic. Yeah. I can imagine at the Amazon data centers.
Amazon. What is it? Amazon, I think. Yeah.
Sorry, Amazon.
Amazon. Yeah. The Amazon is like a rainforest.
Yeah, that's the rainforest. Yeah.
You know what I also forgot? Oh my God, Timo.
Oh shoot, the light! I missed the lights.
The lights.
Oh no.
Oh, and there we go.
There are the lights.
There we go. I forgot to put on the lights. Oh my God. But hey, we're back.
We're back. But so that's a big thing then. That a crash like
that
this.
was a big thing. Yeah. It's a little bit. I saw a lot of. Let me go to tweakers. There was. Let me translate that in English.
You got two big companies three big companies.
3 big cloud providers. You have one, AWS, that's a really big one. You have Azure, that's by Microsoft Azure, and you have the Google Cloud Platform, that's number 3. And those are considered the big tech. Yeah. Also, Rubify says I also couldn't use my Snapchat account today. Yeah, that's also hosted on AWS, right? So also Snapchat really had a big outage as well. Let me see. Can I translate this page? And I'll show you guys. Let's do this together. There we go. The most AWS services will be available again after malfunction. It's now largely remedied to this failure. Several services, including Signal and Snapchat. So like Signal, the chat app, it's also hosted on AWS. Weren't able to be reached. But Signal, Slack, Snapchat, Perplexity AI, that's a big AI company. And Prime Video, also their own services like Prime Video, unreachable, man. But also Docker, it's really huge. Docker, if you use Docker Hub, that's basically that's just issues like access to services across many of our products. Yeah, see the big notice up here. Oh my God. Let me put it in for mobile viewers. There we go. There we go. A lot of Docker is really big. That hosts this one hosts a lot of agents, images for all kinds of applications. So basically, a lot of developers today who are working or people who are deploying new software, bye bye, not possible. Insane, dude.
So entirely 1/3 of the internet was gone.
Yeah, something like that. And related to a DNS resolution of the DynamoDB APIs. It's always DNS, dude. Oh my god. It's always DNS.
But what do you think? Is there a hack or
no? It's a DNS issue. Basically, they did a misconfiguration.
So an intern did quite a bit of a
Maybe
problem.
the intern, yeah.
Was the intern shut all the internet down?
Yeah.
Wrong button.
Yeah, basically, you know what the DNS is?
Please help me out.
Okay, DNS stands for Domain Name Services, and it's basically if you go to any website, google.com, for example, or mindformthegame.com, or I don't know, tweakers.net. If anything you type in here, that's called a domain name. But those websites, they are hosted on web servers, right? And those web servers have an IP address. And basically, DNS does all that it does is it translates the name to an actual IP address. Actual IP address. So 192 dot number dot
something
numbers dot. It translates that name to an actual IP address. So it knows where to look for the web page to be served from. And if someone breaks that part, bye bye.
You're done.
Bye bye.
Oh,
yeah.
The intern is getting fired today.
I think someone's having a rough, had a really bad day. Yeah.
I think a lot of people went panic when they saw this error in the.
And also the cool thing is about the DNS changes. If you configure it in such a way, then changes to the DNS network have to be accepted by all kinds of servers online, worldwide. And if you configure it in such a way, and that's generally a good idea to do it that way, you make a change, and you set it to only change to allow the changes to have a TTY. That's time TTL. Sorry, TTL stands for time to live. So you make a change, and it actually goes live after a certain amount of time. Yeah, if you set that to like 8 hours or 12 hours, in some cases 48 hours. Then you made the change. You also changed the TTL to that. I'm sorry, brother. You got to wait 48 hours for it to be changed. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the thing, man. That's the thing.
So I would love to be in a room when the big engineers they saw that this error was going to flash out of the screen.
Yeah, man, that's terrible.
I think
stuff.
Bezos would shout at the main guys.
Bezos is too busy with going to the moon or something.
Oh yeah, spending all the money that they have.
Yeah, I don't know. Is he actually involved still with Amazon on a daily basis? I don't know. Oh, your mic changed.
Sorry. Yeah. Yep. I'm back. Sorry. No, yeah, I don't know. I really don't know if he is still in charge. Yeah. I don't know.
Me neither. Well, let's we can check that out, of course.
But I think
is Bezos still involved?
At Amazon.
Chairman and large share only. Okay, he stepped down as CEO in 2021. So he's basically filled his pockets.
It's 4 years ago that he already quit.
Yeah,
that's a long period.
Executive chairman, basically. So he sits in a chair and says stuff, but doesn't do anything anymore, and on a daily basis, I think.
No, so not a phone call of Bezos to the big engineers. So how big is Amazon if you compare with the other two? Sorry.
No, it's the biggest. It's by far the biggest, man.
Yeah, it's by far the biggest.
Yeah, by far the biggest. Yeah. That's kind of a problem if you see what happened today, because a lot of the internet is totally reliant on one cloud provider, and that's also where a lot of government specialists, no, well, not specialists, I say a lot of, not per se government people, are warning governments. That's a correct way to say this, to not be that reliant on cloud providers anymore. Because you see what happens. You rely too much on big tech, like Amazon, Microsoft, Google. Either they get an outage, or they decide to go rogue, or change prices, or change policies, or something.
And everything.
You're screwed, man.
You're done. So what's your advice going to be if you have to consult all these big companies or governments?
What my advice would be, if you're Snapchat, you're big enough to host your own service, right?
Why do you think that they choose to host, or let they use the cloud services?
Well, cloud services at Vortec, my software company, we also use primarily cloud services, cloud providers, and I can't disclose which one we use because of reasons. So please don't ask. But we primarily use cloud providers as well.
Yep.
And it's when you start out, or when you're small, it's a cost thing, and not only be for renting the service, but also maintenance hours and stuff like that, man.
Got it.
Yeah,
and security wise also.
Yeah, because if you use a lot of managed solutions, then the managed solutions that they offer, they also take care of security patches and stuff like that, But you can also rent bare bones servers with them. For example, you can rent a plain old Ubuntu or a Fedora server, a Linux server, but then you have to do your own patching. And if you do that, then the only difference then is that it's not the hardware that you're managing. Yeah, that's the good thing. So they basically have their racks of servers in the data centers. You don't have access to the physical hardware, and that's the difference. And if something breaks, they replace it.
Exactly. So
that's
also security. Also security wise.
Yeah, those networks that they are involved with, they are really locked down, of course. But if you're a big boy, like the leaks of Perplexity AI or Snapchat, it's way cheaper to do it yourself. And also, you are less dependent by big cloud providers. And also, what a lot of companies do nowadays, that they do host their own server parks, their own data centers with their own servers, but then they have a fallback to one of the cloud providers. That's also a good strategy to incorporate.
How do you think that they fix the problem? Is it going backups? Did they do backups, or did they bring?
Yeah, if it's a DNS issue, then there's not really a backup. It's just a setting that you have to communicate to the outside world.
And you cannot back up these settings.
And if you roll that back, dependent on how the example I gave you before. Yeah. If you roll that back, dependent on how the configuration is set, you just have to wait for it for the TTL to expire. And then you press a button and then you wait. That's basically what you do, man.
It's not a matter of pressing the backup back to what it was. It has
to be accepted by all the major DNS servers worldwide.
So there was, and all right. And how many people work on these data centers or Google Cloud services? Is that hundreds, thousands?
Hundreds, thousands of people,
yeah. To maintain okay.
Yeah, but those are, I think, more the data center engineers. So not the engineers, but the how do you call that? The server admins, the data server, the actual server admins. So people who replace the machines, who replace the hard drives. People who check if the correct cables are plugged in. Hey, Swimpa, Donnie. How are you, man? Good to have you.
How are you?
Those are, I think, per data center. I think maybe in the tens of the tenfold amount of people per data center.
All right.
And maybe server admins, like the people who actually are on the engineering team. Yeah, maybe worldwide also a few hundred people. In this field of work, it's generally not. It generally really doesn't work that way. That the more people you put on a problem, it goes faster. You know.
Yeah, I got it. So they got a big room, I think, somewhere in the United States, who see the problems coming in.
Yeah, and I think per continent, maybe.
Do they train their employees for settings for problems like this? Do they have like drills?
I think so. But
do they have drills?
Yeah, I think so. You always have, if you want to work at those kinds of companies, you always also have to have certain certifications. And if you have those certifications, then you know what these problems are and how to solve them and how they occur.
Do you have drills at your own company because you're owning a software company? Do you have drills or the thought of problems?
Yeah, we have.
What can happen?
How do you processes?
Procedures. Procedures.
Yeah, we have procedures. So any common thing that could go wrong, for example, with certificates expiring or migration of services to other cloud data centers. Yeah.
So you discussed everything what can go wrong, and you know the solution.
Yeah, we note it down. Of course, we have documentation for that. Yeah,
all right. So, but you don't have. You have a meeting, or you had a meeting with all the possibility.
Hey, there we go. Thanks, Don. Thanks for the bits, man.
Thanks, Don.
Thank you. Did you notice any outage, Don, of for Snapchat, for example, or Slack? There was a really big outage today that we're discussing right now. Sorry, Timo.
No. Good question. Or chat in general.
Yeah, chat in general. Yeah, we're already notified. We already heard that Rubify had the Snapchat outage. That he had some trouble with it.
Yeah. Do you think there's going to be lawsuits for this kind of?
No, they have the how do you call it, surface level agreements.
All right. So
yeah, they have that lockdown, man.
Okay, so it can happen. Like an article is that it can happen that something breaks down and
they have a guaranteed uptime of like 99.99999%. Yeah.
Yep.
And any error. Because you can never guarantee 100%, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you decide to hire some products of AWS, you agree to those terms. You know?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, and we can check that out as well. Let's see. No, what I meant, Don, is this. A lot of services that use the, how do you call it, AWS web hosting service, stuff like Prime Video, Signal, Slack, Snapchat. Those are one of the services that were targeted. Well, not targeted, that were hit by the outage. Basically meaning that they couldn't serve any people during those times. Well, they were hit by a major outage by Amazon Web Services. And I was wondering, did you notice anything today? Maybe also some banks got a hit, Timo.
As well, yeah.
Probably, yeah.
Should be. Could be, yeah.
Could be. What were we checking? I was checking something. Oh yeah, 99.9 uptime. Uptime, like I said, there's a calculator. Yeah. So if you say 99.9 agreed SLA level, service level agreement, that means then you can have a daily outage of 1 minute and 26 seconds, yearly of 8 hours and 45 minutes. So yeah, that's allowed to go down.
Wow, that's a lot.
But if you do a 9 here,
9.9, and hit
the enter key, yeah, there we go. yeah, then you only have 52 minutes per year. You know?
Oh, that's... And how much does...
Then we go here, 5 minutes. So it depends. I have no clue what the defaults are at Amazon. I would say this one.
Well, how many... what percentage do you guys of your other company guarantee?
We do this one. We do this one, yeah. That's a default. 99.9.
All right, but 9.
Yeah, that's a default. That's a standard in IT, in the IT world.
All right.
Yeah.
So if you go below that, then you can get sued if they want to.
Then you could be held accountable.
Okay.
Yeah.
If something happened. All right. Interesting.
Yeah, interesting.
I got two big questions a little bit about this topic, and then we go to the Final Fantasy, the gaming part.
Yeah, I got some of course crazy stuff to show you, man.
Yeah. Two quick questions. One of them is how big are these security guys for services like server fields? How many people work there? I mean, how good is their security? I mean, they are hacked constantly, right?
Who? Amazon?
Yeah.
Those services get attacked constantly.
I mean,
yeah, but I think their security team is. I don't think it's really up to numbers. Really, I think it's more just the people who develop these kinds of systems that they did. I think they do that security. They approach that security first, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And also the server admins that they have, they also always make sure that they update their stuff, you know.
Okay.
And also their security operations center, I think that's really big. Basically, just people watching a screen. Okay, does something go wrong? No, let's get some coffee. But if something goes wrong, then you see their eyes changing from this to.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, this bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's but I think those people are in the hundreds as well, maybe thousands. Yeah. That's an estimation, of course.
Yeah, and that they are really smart people.
Nice.
And they're really smart people, right?
Yeah, smart. Really, they graduated masters of cybersecurity.
Yeah, exactly.
I would say
so they know what to do. And the last question about this topic is: they will back up everything that they have, right?
They back up everything. They back up everything to tape. I've once been to a summit in the Hague years, I think 4 or 5 years ago. Then the CTO of AWS was having a talk there, talking about how they did their backups, and they literally back up everything to tape.
To tape,
yeah.
Wow.
Plain old tape, man.
Everything they did, do everything.
Everything.
And how many tapes do they get? That's insane. It has to be insane.
It's insane, man. But they have to back up everything, man. And the amount of storage that they have, you can't do that on an SSD, man. That's too costly. So they do it to tape. That's cheapest.
Wow.
Yeah.
But how? That's millions of gigabytes a day that they have to back up and
petabytes, I think, man.
What?
I think petabytes.
What's petabytes?
1,000 terabytes.
1,000 terabytes.
Yeah, I think that they are in the petabytes a day. Yeah.
A day.
Yeah. I think so. I'm not 100% sure what the exact number is, of course. But
how long do you think that they have to store it? I mean, 30 days.
I think they have to be compliant for. I think a few. Depends on the service, of course. But normally, if it's for example medical stuff in the Holland, you have to save it for 7 years.
Yeah, so that's a lot. I mean,
that's a lot now. That's a lot. But I don't think that they back that up. Or maybe they do. If they do a full copy every day, I don't think they do that. I think they do. How do you call it again? They stack the updates. How do you call that? You have a tool called Restic. That's a tool. It's a really old school tool. Restic.
All right.
Snapshot. Full snapshot or snapshot types. Incremental. There you go. That's the word. So I think they do incremental updates. So only save the changes of stuff. instead of doing a full backup, you know?
Okay. So if something changes, okay.
Yeah, that's also how I back up my OBS installation. This actual OBS installation. I also do that with a tool called Restic because I'm a nerd.
Okay.
And I do incremental backups, so I can show you if you want how that works.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Of course, this will go bad AF. If I do Restic snapshots, I basically get a full list back of every snapshot that I did. And I do that every time I boot my device. So every time I turn on the PC, a snapshot gets made.
All right.
So that means that I have this snapshot over here. That's made at, now where you can see, 1946. So 45 minutes before I went live with this live stream, I did a reboot. So then I do an update of this machine. And then I back up my stream controller data. That's a stream deck. So...
Yep, got it.
This boy.
Yeah.
I back that up, and also the entire OBS configuration, and that happens multiple times a day. And then if I do let's see, how did I do the Restic snapshot? Oh, Restic. Snapshots. Yeah, you don't really see that here, but basically what I can do, and I can then pick one of these IDs. So, for example, if I want to go back to the 14th of October, I pick this ID.
Yep.
Then I place that in here, and then it gets back the entirety of those two folders. So the stream controller and the OBS Studio folder. It puts it back in a restoration folder of that date.
All right.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome, right?
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
But then you don't have to save the entire thing
Man.
every time. So you only back up the changes that are made, and then it takes a full backup of the one you once made. The full backup, like here, take a full backup, and then you increment on top of that each time. So basically, then if you restore, then you take the full backup, and then you take the point in time that was made here.
Yep.
You combine that, and then you have it all in one folder, and that's your restoration point. So pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty nice.
It saves a lot of time.
That saves a lot of time, yeah.
It saves a lot of time. All right. Well, I'm thanks for the lesson again. I mean, I'm getting schooled every week with the technological part of of the industry.
But let's go to the different topic, Timo, because I have something really cool to show you. Because you know that back in the day, right? That we did the playthrough of Final Fantasy 7 Remake, right? But you also never.
I don't.
The man is back, huh? The man is back. Nice, Don. Good job. But you actually never saw the original, right? And then I said, yeah, well, basically the original, it's really old, and you wouldn't want to play it that way if you're starting new. But I've been messing around.
Yeah, you sent me a text last afternoon, and then you said, "Well, look at me."
Yeah, look at this.
Playing the old one.
So basically, what I did, I'm now playing the old one again. I was just curious. I have a few days off. I'm like, okay, let's nerd out, you know.
Yep.
And let me see if I can change this for you guys. Games and desktops. Turn this off for a second. And turn this over to my LG Electronics. There we go. And then we go back to here. Oh yeah, let me show you right here. There we go.
Yep. Here we go.
There we go. So this is my Steam. Yeah, this is my Steam, right? You can see that, right? Yeah, so basically, what I have right here is, if I go to Final Fantasy, I have Final Fantasy 7 right here. And this, I'll turn the music off for a second. If I click play on this, then it will start the actual original Final Fantasy 7, like it's the way it's been released in 1997.
A long time ago.
That's a long time ago. Yeah, that's a long
almost
time
20 years ago. No, 30
More.
years ago. 30 years. It's
almost 30 years ago, dude.
It's almost 30 years ago.
I feel so old.
Oh, yeah, me too. No, me too.
I feel so old. Also, controller support is basically non-existent here. No, because if I do this, I'll show you a YouTube video. I'll show you a YouTube video really quick, yeah.
And that's better, perhaps.
That's a lot easier to do right now. YouTube.
Not controller support.
Yeah, it does have. It's old, man. It's really old. Yeah, funny, huh? Final Fantasy. Come on. Oh, my computer. Final.
What happened? What happened?
PS1. Let me show you this.
It's also the holiday for the computer.
Yeah.
You thought, yeah, I got a week off. No, I got a week off, but no, it doesn't work that way.
Full game playthrough. There we go.
Yeah, here we go.
Welcome to Speedy Walkthroughs, where we showed.
Yeah, we don't want to have that. We just want to go here, and I want to show you how this looks. So this is really old, like I said.
Really old.
All right, making our way through. We get to the high.
Okay, stop talking.
Is that the part from what you sent me?
What I sent you?
The Vegas.
Yeah,
the Vegas part.
No, the Vegas bar was. I think that's a little bit more ways over here.
Just like.
Could be here, but you see these graphics, right? It's really old, huh? Really pixelated, right? And you also have FF7. Hey, Shrimpots! Oh, we get some more. Nice, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I also know for a fact that Don Shrimpa never played this game before. He saw me playing it back in the day, I think. But
why did you, Don? Why didn't you play the game? Now I get curious.
Yeah, no commentary. There we go. PC long play. So basically, here, this is how the game looks right now. Straight to the play scene. Yeah, nice. So basically, this is how, if you were to start the game right now on PC, it would look like this. Thanks, Don. Thanks a lot, man. Really appreciate it. And it would look like this. Yeah, you can see his age, right?
Yep. Nice music, by the way, from back in the day.
Yeah, the music is... And this is really funny. This is the wall market scene from where we were in the remake playthrough.
Yeah, okay.
So the Las Vegas part of the game, you know?
Gus wasn't much of a gamer like Gus, he said.
Like Don. Yeah.
Don, what?
Yeah, I really agree, man. The Walmart theme song is way better in the remake. In the original, sorry. But you have these graphics in here right now, right? If you see if you see the characters in here, maybe we can also put in a little battle. Then you can see it's a little bit better. This is the big fight that we were in, where I got wrecked a few times. Yeah, this is the Airbuster fight. Yeah, look at these graphics, man. Look at these graphics. It's old, man.
It's really old.
Yeah, there we go. And but I've been modding this game a little bit.
You did modding.
I did a little bit of modding because the original really it still has its charm, you know, the music, the atmosphere. It is a really different compared to the remakes. So if we go here right now, and I turn this off, and I open the Seventh Heaven, and Seventh Heaven is like a mod manager of this game.
Okay, built by the community.
Built by the community, yeah, all by the community.
Okay.
And then if we start the game right here, there we go. Yeah, Don was chilling outside with his Pokemon card instead of gaming inside, huh?
Much better, Don. Much better.
Really good.
Really good.
Also, these. Let me see if I can change the. If I can change this to the other screen real quick, yeah, because the how do you call it? The resolution is way different.
All right. Okay.
Go here. That's stuff that I noticed. Yeah, there we go. That's better. So,
all right.
We go here. We go here.
So,
look at this. How much difference is this?
And you did this all by yourself?
No, I installed mods, of course. Huh?
Oh, okay.
Huh?
But
look at the details and how smooth it is.
Yeah.
This is cool, huh?
It's really cool. You're playing this version.
And I'm playing this version, yeah. If you look at the details, for example, of Cloud's sword and its image.
And the shade as well.
Yeah, man.
If you look at the shade when he's running.
If Square Enix were to release this game in this shape, yeah, why not? Why not, right? I mean, this
also, by the way, you're reading all the books. I mean, the books behind me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I read them all, by the way. A lot of information is by the way in the Mindform game. All these books.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Show us
all the lines. Oh yeah, it's all the lines that were used in the coach. It's all from these books.
Really? No.
Yeah,
there we go.
I think we did 10 books. 10 books. Yeah, got 10 books already that I use for the lines.
Now show some. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. For example.
Oh, it's a mirror mode. Let me see if I can mirror you. If I can mirror your thing. Guess one. Transform and flip horizontal. Failed. Okay, that failed.
Failed.
Why can't I? Oh, here. This one. Sorry. I flipped the wrong one. There we go. James Kerr.
The legacy. It's all from the All Blacks. From the All Blacks of the the New Zealand rugby team.
Who's that?
So I got all the rugby team, the national team of rugby.
Oh.
And then I got all these lines.
Oh, you really highlighted them, huh?
I highlighted them, and I think it's also if I do a random page, I got them highlighted as well. So I got all those books I read, and I highlight all the important things about mindset. All those books, and it's all in Mindform.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a big one. So all these coaching lines is from all those books.
Nice.
So hopefully that's the answer, Adam.
Nice, man.
This is all the books.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
No problem. We were busy with Final Fantasy. Go ahead. It was a.
Yeah, your mic is totally getting busted, man.
Oh boy, is it?
Talk, please.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, now it's better. Okay.
Okay.
That's weird. That's weird. Okay.
That's still there.
But if you look at the detail right here in the game, look at this. Look at those characters.
Cloud.
Compared to.
You're here about Aerith?
Oh,
sorry.
It's autoplay.
Shinra got her.
Oh my god.
I know.
Here?
And also they had a voice they had a voice acting.
Why are they after her?
Pretty cool, huh?
Aerith is an ancient.
Pretty cool.
What do you mean? Aren't you her mother?
Aren't you her
Not her real mother. No. Must have
Is this a real? Is it? This is not AI,
15
right?
years ago. During
Sorry?
the war, my husband
This is not
was sent to the front.
AI, right? The AI
Some
voice.
faraway place.
No,
called
your
Utah.
mic is totally busted, man.
Oh, I'm still
Yeah,
here.
it breaks
I went
off.
to the station because
From
I
time
had
to time.
received a letter saying he was coming
Does it?
home on leave.
Test.
Yeah.
I'm still there.
The moment you start making sentences, then it breaks off, man.
All right. Is this better?
I think so.
All right. I changed my mic a little bit. But my question was: is it all human voiceover? Or is it AI voiceovers?
No, it's human. Humans, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, those guys are called Suna mods, and they're basically fans of the game, who just did the voice acting themselves. Really cool. And they voiced the entire game.
Look at the shade, by the way, of all the characters.
Yeah, and you're back again. It's really, really bad, man.
Test. Wait. All right. I'm speaking.
Yeah, now
okay.
it's good again.
All right. I don't know why it's happening,
Husband
but okay.
Never came back.
Then suddenly, out of nowhere, you hear...
I told myself that his leave must have been cancelled. I went to the station every day.
Nice.
Then
Yeah, weird, huh?
Oh God, I think I know.
He gone, people. He gone. You remember me playing this game back in the day, Don? I don't think you do. You were always outside, huh? Hey, Duke of Duke.
Couple of questions
used to
about
see
this
that
one.
thing a
What
lot.
did you?
It's so
take
bad.
Earth somewhere safe. That was the only thing she said to me.
Still? Is it still?
Then she died.
Yeah, man.
My husband hadn't returned.
Maybe it's
I had no
Discord. I don't
children.
know. Maybe they are also hosted on AWS
So
or
I
something.
decided to take her home with me.
Yeah, I have no clue, dude.
Aerith and I bonded very
Where's the audio coming from? From Discord or from?
Yeah, I think it's
Twitch.
Discord because I don't hear you
She
on
talked
Twitch.
to me about
It's the
that.
sound of Timo sounding like he's under the water.
She told me about how she'd escaped from some kind of research laboratory with her mother. How her mother had already returned to
Yeah, I
the
don't know, man.
so she didn't feel any need to
All right.
help me.
Oh well.
So many
Like I said.
things.
Yeah, I never watch you play. No, you were always outside. Okay, but what I wanted to show you is if you look at these graphics right now, and if you compare that to
She said no.
what I showed earlier,
She was in serious
Was it on the YouTube one?
in many ways.
look at this. That's the difference,
Can you
huh?
go to the same scene? Can you go to the same
Can
scene?
I go to the same scene? Yeah, I think I can.
Aerith just blurted that out all of a sudden. So I asked her if something had happened.
Someone dear to you
Yeah,
has just
There we
died.
go.
He wanted to see you,
it's the same scene.
but he's already returned
Okay,
to
go.
the
Can
planet.
you show us
Time
both?
I didn't believe her. But several
Okay.
days later, I received notice
Look at this.
that my husband had died in action.
Yeah, that's
That's how it was.
Sick, huh?
Perfect, but
that's really
we were
sick.
happy. Until one day.
Okay. Then we go back. Show her.
We would like you to return.
Look at the shades.
Okay.
Look at those. Yeah, it's a world of difference, man.
No,
The
never.
music is a little hard. Okay, let me turn it down.
Very special.
There we go. Thanks, Don.
Special bride. Your real mother.
You see that?
But
Look
yeah,
at this.
that's a big difference.
This
That's
is
a
the new
really
game,
big
the modded
difference.
game.
The ancients will lead us.
And
to
this
the land of
is the-
supreme happiness. Aerith will be able to bring
This is the OG.
happiness to all those in these
Oh, this is one. You can see the difference right now if you go to the other one.
desire her cooperation.
Yeah, that's really, really something, man.
But
Where are you? Here we are.
surely you
Let's skip through this real quick. Then we can see some gameplay.
I knew.
That,
Mysterious
bro, it's
how
insane, man.
She tried so hard to hide it.
It's amazing.
And then, if you compare this, yeah, it's a lot of dialogue. This is a cutscene.
She brought back
I want to skip through it, but it's an old game. I can't skip it. I want to skip it, but I can't. Oh my god.
No.
Oh, why did I go in there? Oh, go.
inside. See,
Duke of Duke.
But Cas, you said that you did some modifying yourself. What was it?
Ah, sorry, man. I can't understand what you're saying. Maybe reconnect through Discord. Do a reconnect. Turn Discord off. Hello?
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 Hello? Hello? Hello?
Okay, what was your question?
What was my question? Sorry. You said that you did some modding by yourself.
No, I just installed the mods that were
I
good,
thought
right?
you did some modding yourself as well.
No. I'm not good enough to do some modding myself. But yeah, what I wanted to show you was this change of pace. Then let's see if I can get the exact same scene in here.
Can you make a screenshot? Really
Yeah,
easy?
I can. Really,
Really quick.
I can. Yeah.
Can you go back to the train? Can you go back to the train? That was a really cool.
Well, if I go in here, just give me 1 second. Let me find this scene. It's really close. It's really close. Really close. Come on.
Really close.
There we go. Okay, we take this one.
Yeah.
Then we go here.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. This is the OG one,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the modded one. OG one.
Yeah.
Look at also the details of the resolution and stuff like that. The blurriness, and also the how do you call it? The models of the characters. It's so different, man.
How did they build it? I mean, how did they mod it?
To be honest, I don't know, man. I know that they changed up some 3D models that they used.
But is it like a Unity project or what project is it?
No. This is really old. This is just really old. This is the mod manager. If I can ever show that. No, of course not.
So you're running the mod manager and you're also running the game.
Yeah, at the same time.
Okay.
And then basically what they did, if you go to you have these files over here. Just a second. Browse local files. Yeah, these are the actual raw files of the game. Yeah, and basically what they did is they changed the music in here, the files in here. They changed it. They changed the lighting, well, the configuration of it. They everything you see right here, like battle data. People basically modified those files themselves, and yeah,
so
messed around with it.
How's it running? Because you're running the program on Steam, so the modding on Steam, and you're also running the game on Steam, so you can run two programs at the same time.
Yeah, that's really. Really
so the mod's changing the files during gameplay. That's what they're basically doing.
I think you can also run this game without running the modified manager, of course. But they just changed up some files in the installation, man. That's really cool. But the cool thing is, if you exit out here and now compare this to this over here. Claire, just 1 second. Let me find out the this one over here, and we go to where are you?
Where are you? My sound is good right now,
yeah,
right?
Your sound is good now, man.
Oh, perfect. So the restart, that was the right ingredient.
Oh, this guy. So funny.
Dawn is back.
The Dawn.
The Dawn is
back.
back.
The Dawn is back. There we go. And then we go back to here. Change this up here. And then we go to the gaming scene over here. Game capture.
Ooh, there's the music.
Yeah, you heard it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Games. I've been playing a little bit here.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
To be able to show you guys. And this is what they did with the remake, of course. You remember it?
Mm-hmm. I definitely remember.
And this is the PC version running right now. But look at the difference, man. How they changed it up.
So if you can you go to a scene what you just showed us? Is it
No,
really difficult?
I'm sorry.
So
Well, what I can do, if we take this scene right here.
can you compare the three next to each other?
Yeah, I think what I can do is this. Let's see.
Dawn, by the way.
What
Good
I
evening.
can do here. If I do this, turn this off here, and then we go. Hey Don, fine avond, good evening, ciao. Thanks
Ciao.
for the bits, man. Thanks for the support. Thanks a lot. So if we go back here and we go to this one, I think if we were to go, yeah,
Here we go.
this is basically this area. Only from the actual start of the game, that is. Just do the opening,
Let's
yeah.
start.
There we go.
Right.
There we go. Just do the opening. I'm finding it. I'm finding it. Yeah, this is pretty close, I think. Yeah. This is so funny. Scorpion Sentinel, yeah. We can go there, I think. Yeah. This is this is that part where we are right now. This is the OG.
Nice.
And then if we go back to the game, running over
Here we go.
Yeah, that's a massive difference, man. Hup. Also the combat, of course.
Is the combat the same? I mean, where the enemies...
Well, what they did,
Or is it-
what they did keep is you see the menu on the bottom left.
Mm-hmm.
Well, they kept that part in, because if we look at combat from I do have to finish this guy off. That would be wise.
2 seconds for you.
Yeah, there we go. So if you see the menu on the bottom left in the combat, well, they took that over from combat in here in the game. If I can ever show you a combat in the game. Yeah, there we go. This is a battle in the OG. You see that? Okay, let me see if I can find a spot where you actually select the command. Yeah, you see that? The menu in here? Yeah, this is what they kept from the original and that they added to the remake. So you have this command stuff over here, but they mixed it out with combat like this. So if you press the square button here, then you can basically use your sword in combat. But if you save up some levels of energy, then you can also still use the menu. You have to use the menu like they did in the old game by selecting an ability. Yeah, like you did back in the day. So that's how they tried to add that as an homage. I'll show you in a second. Yeah, over here. Yes. Please talk. Yes. Go. Uh-oh. Yeah, we've got company. There we go. So you have to press the square button to hit the targets, but then you can use the abilities right here to you can select them like in the OG game, or spells to use special abilities against your enemies. And if you compare that again with this one, then you see the same menu right over here. So that's what they took. That's what they kept from the old combat style.
Is that in all the Final Fantasy games the same?
What, the combat?
Yeah, the menus and the combats and everything.
They were like this from 1 until 10, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every time that you, or most of the time that you're playing a new Final Fantasy, the combat is always the same, or most of the time the same.
Kind of the same, yeah. Kind of the
Okay, so
same,
you
yeah.
the
But they
basic
changed it
mechanics
totally.
are the same.
They totally changed it over from upwards of 10.
That will be funny though if you're playing the same scene with two different consoles. So you're playing one scene at one screen and the other as well on the other screen. So you're playing two games at the same side. You know what I mean?
No? Sorry.
Right. Imagine that you have your television next to you on the right side. So you're playing on your PlayStation 1
Yeah.
some scenes of the Final Fantasy, and then if you completed some boss, go to your PC and then play
it again.
Play it again, only now in first person.
Yeah, sick, huh? So this part you see right here,
You can do it with two person as well.
You can really see the resemblance here. If I go back here and I go back a few minutes, I think it was around 5 minutes or something. There you can really see it.
Because if I was really good at Final Fantasy, we can do the same thing. Then we can do a dual screen.
Yeah.
I'm gonna play it. Final Fantasy.
Yeah, that would be cool, huh?
Only I cannot play Final Fantasy, and I don't really know what to do, and it's gonna take me a lot of time to complete.
Let me see if I can find that exact scene, man. That would be funny. Come on. Come on. I can't seem to find it. Here you play only with Cloud. Nah, it's really hard to find in the... Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. There it was. Yeah, this exact part that you see right now. Look at this. This is the OG.
Yep.
And then we go back here. We see the same guy standing over there. The same T-shape of the building. Look.
Yep.
What they did, man. That's so cool, huh? You see the difference, right?
Yep.
But you also see the resemblance, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is good stuff, man. This is good stuff, man. Yeah.
Exactly. Push the button. The magical
button. Push the button. There we go. Yeah,
yeah, that's really cool. I mean, really cool. And that will be funny though if you're playing at the same time and you can wait
that
for
would
each
be
other.
cool. Yeah.
If you know some
see the resemblance, huh? Roby1 Kenobi said, by the way, if you want to start Final Fantasy, 10 is a good place to do so.
No, but if you know somebody I think it's a streamable thing, right? To do a stream and do two games at the same time.
Not this one and the OG, you think? Yeah?
Do it at the same time.
Would be fun, yeah. Yeah,
if you know
that could be
someone,
fun. Yeah, maybe Roby1 or something, but he's scared to come on stream.
Yeah, you don't have to be with the face. I can be the face and I can talk to each other. I can be your face. If you can play, I will be the face that's playing. But if somebody else can play, that will be awesome though.
Yeah, cool, huh? But a lot of people, they don't really like what Square did with this version of the game. But also a lot of people really, really, really liked it. Don't let Timo be your face.
I can agree with that. I can agree with that.
You can relate, huh?
Do you agree with what they say in Cas?
I don't know. I'm Switzerland.
In Switzerland.
I'm neutral. Right?
But if you can choose between this game or the other one, I mean the story is the same.
No, it's not the same. No, that's the reason why people, some people don't like this version. But they changed a little bit. They changed it a little bit, but I think 90% it's the same. But what I also told you on WhatsApp the other day is the difference between this game and the OG. For example, the place, the Las Vegas place, you know, the wall market they call it.
Mm-hmm.
On the original game, if I got there today and I played the game for like 2 hours, and I was already there. The original game, the remake game, I had to play for like 15 hours, 20 hours in order to reach that place. Now, that's the difference. And the thing is, they added so much backstory and stuff to the remake. Yeah, that's really big, man. That's really big.
Really big.
Yeah. Also really cool,
yeah.
of course.
Yeah, but you cannot choose. If you have to pick one, what would you pick?
Padding, basically. Hey, well, first we delete this one. There we go. If we had to pick one of the two.
Yeah. Or is this a pick between a son or a daughter?
Yeah. Yeah. That's a big one, man. I think I'll go for the remake.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, I think I'll go for the remake. I really like it. Up to now. I really hope they don't fuck up the third one, but I really like it until now.
That's a cool story, though. That's funny to see the difference. The upgrade that they made in the last couple of years.
Yeah, that's cool, huh? So but that was something I really wanted to share with you, because I've been modding this thing quite much, and it gives a whole new dimension to an already amazing game. And some of the people online actually call it the actual Final Fantasy VII remake. But then it's done by fans, you know.
Yep, got it.
Really like it. So, what do you think of it? What you saw?
Well, what I saw,
Yeah.
I still surprise every time that you show me something that is modded, and how many people worked on it, and the quality that they made is so absolutely great. And I still cannot think of a scenario that the Square Enix, just the builders of the Final Fantasy, they don't integrate it in the game as well. So you have to do the modding first to play the game. And I really don't get it. Why, if you have a community, is what's so powerful and so helpful to upgrade the games, why not integrate it in an update of the Final Fantasy and give them the credit to the players? I mean, that's basically what they're doing, right?
Money.
Yes, I don't. Yeah, but what they don't have to do that much.
I know, man. It's basically the original artist's vision, of course. That's also a thing, and I think it's a really cool thing that there's a place for modders to also do some stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that they can do their own thing, because you can pick so many different things with this remake project, the remodding project as well. A lot of people do their own thing, do different things. You can. This is one of the ways that you can modify the original game, and you can also modify it in a completely other way. You can remove the voice acting. You can change the style of the characters. This was more, you call it, this more chibi style. You can also have a more realistic approach.
All right. So there's a lot of, for everyone,
there's something for everyone, and it's just a lot of passion of people who play this game and decided to mod it. You know, so that's pretty nice. You know.
Yeah. I'm still surprised about how many people are still so fanatical about modding and about playing the game still, and still loving the games that they built. So
So, and that's a cool thing that fans do this, and maybe it's better that they do it instead of Square Enix, because you see what they do with the remake. Yeah, they make a remake in their own vision. Yeah, and that's what they want to do. Robimon Kenobi said it depends, for mentioning the part 3, the remake. It depends on how much Nomura is working on part 3. That's Tetsuya Nomura. That's one of the developers within the Square Enix company. He's also the director of a game called Kingdom Hearts. That's a Disney and Square Enix collaboration game. It's actually pretty cool. There you play with Goofy and Donald, and that's actually a pretty cool game as well. But he's also really involved with the remake project, And the cool thing about that is he was the lead designer for the original Final Fantasy VII game. So they pulled him back in to guide the process of the remake. But he really wanted to do something different with the IP because he's like, yeah, we already made this story once. So let's take this opportunity to do something different, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he was the lead character designer of that game, yeah. So yeah, that's his approach, and people like Obi-Wan Kenobi, also myself. I think if they would have just stuck to the original story, just stuck with it, it would have been perfect. You know, just add only background, but don't change the story. If they did that,
why do you think that they changed the story?
Yeah, like I said, just what I said before here. They already did it one time in 1997, and they wanted to do something else. They had a crazy idea to incorporate with the remake, and they were like, okay, let's try something else.
Okay, and you said half of the players liked it, and the other half said no.
Yeah, the community is really divided. Yeah.
Okay.
Really divided, but I like it. It's pretty cool. It looks cool. It looks amazing. Plays amazing. It's a really modern game, and I love it, man.
Is it still? I already asked that question. I think about 10 times, so I'm not gonna ask it again. I was compared to Expedition 33, but
well, that's the thing. That's actually a good thing that you asked. That you ask it right now, because Expedition people want to see a modern game like Final Fantasy VII. That's why people mod those original games, you know? People mod these games because they really love those kind of games. Like the original Final Fantasy VII, like the original Final Fantasy IV, 9, 10. There is still a place for games like that in the current gaming industry landscape thing, huh? But Square Enix basically said, people, you don't want that anymore, so we're not going to make it. We're going to make real-time action games from now on. And then Clair Obscur Expedition 33 came along, and they basically they gave the people what they were asking for all these years. Just give us a modern JRPG like Final Fantasy from the back in the day, like Final Fantasy 7, 8, 9, 10. Give us a game like that with modern graphics and modern mechanics, and then we're all good, man. And then Sandform Interactive, they did that, and they sold millions and millions, proving that there is still a place for a game like that.
And how big is, if I was thinking about how big the community is, can you compare it a little bit with Counter-Strike or League of Legends?
It's a niche. It's a niche,
but it's a niche of millions of players.
Yeah, well, they say that, for example, Final Fantasy VII Rebirth sold approximately 10 million times, 10, 12 million times, something like that.
Okay,
and if you compare that to Counter-Strike, that's in the 100 millions of people playing.
Okay, so it's a small niche then.
Yeah, it's a smaller niche. But back in the day, when FF7 OG sales, if you look that up, the original game that sold over 15 million copies back in the day in the PlayStation 1. And that's huge for that time. That's huge, man. Because there was only a PlayStation 1 and it sold 15 million copies. That's insane, dude. That's insane.
Is there still younger players who are playing these kinds of games, or is it still the older players?
Yeah,
from
that's the problem.
Back in the day?
That's exactly the problem.
Oh,
That's
really?
people like me with a big nostalgia.
Yeah.
Who love those games, right? And I once tried to let my little brother Ruben play this game. Yeah, and it's a total different generation, you know. They were like, "Oh, where's the action, man?"
Yeah, real.
Yeah, but also you, right? That's also you.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
it's also me. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, retro is making a comeback. Really, yeah, that's really true. Obi-Wan Kenobi, it's really making a comeback. But if you look at the sales figures from, for example, FF7 Rebirth, yeah, it sold a lot less than a remake project because people of the basically that says that only people who play the original, they stick around and they play, they still buy that game.
Got it.
Yeah, it doesn't,
Okay.
and that's also the problem with a sequel like that. You can't play the sequel if you haven't played the first one. You know.
Is the Expedition 33, is that for the younger players as well? Or is it still the old
Yeah, that's the cool
players?
thing. That's really the cool thing. It did reach new players, right? It did. That proves that games like that
It's
are
not-
still have a place in this industry. You know.
Got it. All right.
And it's not just nostalgia, Robbie once said. More and more people are realizing that older games are better. Different. Wouldn't say better, but they were made with a lot more passion, I think, than games nowadays. Games nowadays, AAA games nowadays, really are an investment vehicle more than it's passion.
Making money.
It's more about making money than making a cool game. Like it was back in the day, you know?
It's more marketing, more, I don't know, getting hyped and making a...
Right?
Yeah. And okay. Yeah, I get it. If I, guys, we talk about old games. I think one last question about it. If you can make a wish about one game that you would see that they remake, an old one, a big old one, what game would you choose?
I would choose Lufia 2, man. Really. And they did a remake of that a few years ago, 10 years ago, and it got butchered. Totally butchered. Because they tried to make it into an action game again. Because old games like that, people don't want that kind of games anymore, man. So let's make it an action game. So they butchered that game. Such a shame. And now that studio is bankrupt. It's defunct.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they made that game. That was their last game, basically. And then, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Make Unreal Tournament great. Yeah, man. Make Unreal Tournament great again. Yeah. Because that also hasn't seen like a new game release for ages as well. For years. What was the last Unreal Tournament?
Yeah, that's a good one. I played that one, by the way.
Unreal Tournament
game. Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's amazing, man. Unreal Tournament. Video game series. Let's see. Okay, there's nothing. Okay, there we go. UT4. Where was this released on? Windows, Mac, Linux.
PC? Unreal Tournament was PC, right?
Look at this. Began in 2003 and was released in 2014. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, basically they stopped doing Unreal when they started Fortnite. Yeah, Fortnite was such an amazing hit that they stopped. Oh, that's the engine. Sorry, Unreal Engine. But they stopped working on Unreal Tournament when they launched Fortnite, and that was a big success. Yeah. Unreal Tournament was canceled first-person arena shooter. It's the 5th game in the tournament series since 2003. 7, sorry. Yeah, but it got canned, right?
There was a big esport back in the day.
Yeah, man. I think there's still a big esport going on for that game. Yeah.
If you go to Twitch, you can...
Esports.
I can still remember Clanbase and having a Unreal Tournament.
Yeah, well, look at this. Clanbase Europe. Eurocup 2006. That's what it was big, man. Yeah, man. That was really big. 2014. Yeah, this was sick, man. It was sick. I don't think if we go to Twitch, like you said, if we go to twitch.tv.
Yeah, you can watch it.
Are people playing this Unreal Tournament?
Yeah.
Unreal Tour. No.
I watched it. Not that many.
14 people watching, and 4 channels playing it right now.
Yeah, okay, but it's funny though.
Sick, huh?
Still playing. Yeah, I like the game.
Yeah. Unreal Tournament.
This was also only for PC, right?
2004. Let's see. 2 people playing. Only PC. Yeah, only PC. Yeah, we should definitely play that again, man.
Oh, that will be awesome. Then I'm gonna
On
play
LAN party
against
or
you.
something. This game was amazing. Yeah, same like Quake, you know.
Yep. Back in the good old days.
Yeah, Quake was also really, really cool, man. Unreal Tournament, one more. Unreal Tournament. Can we go just browse here? Unreal Tournament. No. No.
No.
Okay, never mind.
Never mind.
Yeah. That's a bummer, man. Wow, it's really old, man. I don't. You can't really expect people to keep playing this, right? So only 14 viewers for Unreal Tournament, the OG.
That's not.
2004 has 2, and then the third one and the 2003 one, yeah, they don't have any viewers, so nobody's playing it. Sick, huh?
Okay, yeah, that's sick indeed.
Yeah, that's sick, man. Okay.
Yeah, that's.
Okay. Do we have some topics left, Timo?
No, I think we discussed a lot of it.
Yeah,
I think it's time that you're gonna play. I mean, we can discuss. I think for a couple of hours if I want to, but yeah.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to start
the Clair Obscur.
The Clair Obscur game again. Like I said, I am always waiting an entire week for me to be able to play that again.
Okay, so Timo, shut up, go away, and let me play. That's the message.
Yeah, well, I got a week off now, so maybe there's more streams lined up right now.
Okay,
So,
perfect.
Hey. Oh, and also Quake 1 and 2 got re-released a while ago. Yeah, they released the RTX upgrades, Roby 1, for PC. That's actually really cool. They added some ray traced lighting to it. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Well, Gus, don't get in your way. You can go ahead and play. So.
Yeah, man. That I'll start up the game in a few minutes. I will be doing a quick bathroom break, and let me get some more drinks, and then we'll start the playthrough of the third episode again already of Clair Obscur Expedition 33. Timo, thank you so much for joining us this evening again. It was really fun. We discussed some cool things. Did a nice comparisons of the FF7 OG modded and the remake. So yeah, everybody say bye-bye. And yeah, we'll see you again
next time.
Next week, man. Okay.
Next week, yeah. Let's do it. Bye-bye.
Later, bro. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. There we go. Let me turn this back on. So, guys, like I said, I will do a quick bathroom break, and then I'll be back in, I think, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that. And then we'll start the playthrough of Clair Obscur Expedition 33. Okay, be right back. See ya. What do we have here? There's a little promotion going on here. I can allow this, no problem. Thank you, Twitch, for helping me mod this out. You do custom designs for streamers, so like logos, panels, banners, overlays, animated alerts, emotes, VTubers, etc. No pressure at all. Yeah, sure. You can DM me. Or you could join our Discord. There should be a link somewhere down here where you can post your stuff. You sure? We have a self-promotion channel right over there. You can leave it over there. And yeah, I would really like to see stuff like that. That's your actual job, or is that something you do on the side, Iluna Chris? We came from here, right? Yeah, we came from here. Okay, we gotta go this way. This way. Okay. Can we do it? Okay. Yeah, okay. We can't blow up his mine from the overworld. Oh, this is actually pretty interesting because we haven't ever faced these guys together. So let's start with the mine. Right. He's actually burned. Yeah, he's burning now. So we can leave him to die at his own pace. And we've marked the man. So let's actually use a normal attack now instead of shooting again. Because if we shoot again, then we will actually lose the mark. So every next attack into this guy will give 50% more damage. So let's do a normal attack. And bam. And now we can use Lune to basically kill them off both. We can use the Earth Rising skill. There we go. There we go. And the other guy dodged because he's a flying enemy, but he was burned. So, arrivederci. Nice. And some more stuff that we can use up on camp and not at the moment because we need to be at a specific place in the story to do that. No spoilers. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's an ambush. Okay. So let's do a chain reaction kind of thing. First this one. Then this one. And then we have... Bam. This guy is gone. This guy is gone. And we have... Look at that. 6 back. It's so easy. It's so easy. Oh my god. Another recode. There we go. Nice. And the marking shots is also part of our arsenal now. So let's see if we can give that to... Oh, she needs 3. So she needs 1 more level. And if she has 1 more level, then we can also apply the marking shots to her. But how much does Gustav have? We could actually give the marking shots Picto to her. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. The marking shots Picto is hers now. Empowering attack. Yeah, that could be good. Let's give that to Gustav. And then we can use him. We can equip marking shots here. Nice. That's efficiency. Alright. And we had a level 2, right? Level 2 on the Lighterrim because of the kill we did on the overworld, on the overworld map. Nice. We're in pretty good shape here. So let's go back really quick. Just to make sure that we didn't miss out on anything. I just joined your server. Okay, well, let's have a chat over there sometime then, yeah? Pretty interested to see your stuff, man. Man, girl. My username is Kobez. That's me. But like I said, you can... where are you? You joined the Discord. Right? Self-promo. Yeah, in the community tab, we have the self-promo channel. You can leave it over there if you want. Nice to have you on the team, Luna. Team Mindform. I see that why did I not use my gamer tag here, huh? Here, A. There we go. Kobes, that's me. Nice beard, Gustav. There we go. And what do we have in this corridor? Oh, that looks ominous.
Over there. A hut.
A hut.
Slow down.
Hut,
Don't
hut,
know what's
hut.
inside yet.
Wow. Look at that. Look at those fish. Big fishies. There's a flag over there. I want to go check out this hut. What do we have here? Hey, story time. Yeah, I got your message, Luna.
Empty. Let's go.
I'll look at that in a second, yeah?
Someone lives here.
What happened there? Cool. Okay.
Where are we? This is...
Maelle! Maelle! Oh. Okay, guys, we're back. Spooky looking. We're back for our Let's Play. There we go. Everybody, thank you so much for sticking around. And yeah, I really can't wait to see what happened last, to see what happens next. Next in the playthrough, what do we have here? What do we have here? Let's check out the conclusion of last week's episode real quick. We have it open right here. I got my drinks. Yeah, there we go. Really big glass of soda. Well, soda. Not really soda. Let's watch the conclusion real quick before we continue. Because I remember I was finding Maelle again. Let me change this up to the big screen. There we go. We found Maelle back. Of course. Yeah, this is so weird having two casters in the in the screen. But hey, that's me. So yeah, we found Maelle back. And then we did some Picto stuff in here. Yeah, we got that one. We got her skills sorted out. And then oh yeah, we did the fight with the Curator, right? Yeah, he's called the Curator. And let's see how we fared over there. Because this creep of a guy. Yeah, this was the place that we found the sign. But did he leave that sign or did she leave that sign? No, she didn't leave the sign. The Curator, that's the name of this guy. And he decided, I think he decides to follow us back to camp. The creep he is. Oh my god. But hey. Okay, so we also have the jump mechanic right now. That's also new. Yeah. You see this handsome guy. This handsome guy explaining how this works. Oh my god. What a guy. Oh, let's poke him. Nah, he doesn't know this. I did feel something stinging in my left ear last week, but nah, I don't think it's me. But hey, we beat the guy, and then after that, yeah, offensive switch, basically explaining Maelle's way of play, right? And then we switch up some more skills. We added some skills. Yeah. I think after that, yeah, fast forward. Yeah, and that's where we left off, right? That's where we left off. Look at the big guy signing everybody off in just a second. Oh my god, what a dude. Yeah. Look at the man go. Ha! Look at him. Ha! Totally beat up. In like 2 hours from now, I'll be looking the same. Got my headset like this. Okay, that's a new stilo, I think. Yeah. Okay, we got this, guys. We got this. So, controls, one guy, bring it back to lobby. There we go. Where is Steam? Steam is over here. No, let's not play Final Fantasy VII Remake, because we already discussed that one. No, we're going to continue Clair Obscur Expedition 33 for PC. Okay. Let's put this one in here. Before we do that, and then we can also change up a little bit in my games and desktops capture. There we go. There we go. Oh, fixed. All fixed up. I'm ready to go. Let's turn off this 500 FPS. Oh, that's cool. Nice. So guys, any questions before we continue with our playthrough? Oh, there we go. Are there any questions before we continue our playthrough? Well, we just watched the recap of basically where we left off, right? So I don't think we have any questions. Yeah, we're left at the manor. Left at the manor. Yeah, with Maelle. There we go. There we go. Is everything still okay in here? Yeah, using FSR 4. Nice. 140 FPS. Yeah, that's good, right? Okay. Then I think we have everything. Let's play with Gustav. Yeah, that's our homeboy, huh? That's our homeboy. Gustav, my man. Okay. Everything is all right, all set in here. There we go. Okay. So let's leave the manor, I think, the mansion.
We should go to the manor and maybe learn something.
Yeah, or we could get back to the Indigo Tree.
Neko's usually here. I wonder where...
Uh-oh. Oh! Nice hair, bro!
Is that a Chestrel?
Stop that, you big hairy brush face. Can't you see they're human? Neko's a bit dramatic, but if you're nice, Neko will trade you lots of useful items for chroma.
Most of them are merchants, I know that. No.
So the tales are true. Perhaps the Grandis and the SKA exist too.
The Grandis.
Are there more Gestrels like you?
Who's the
I'd like to meet
Grandis?
them.
Coco, you silly
I never heard of the
Village
Grandis.
is not far from here.
We know who SKA is, if you played the game before. What's a Grandis?
Oh, don't have time for detours.
Yeah, we need to get to the paintress.
Oh.
There's another sea between here and the paintress.
Noko, as the best gestural merchant ever, I bet you know a solution, yeah? Come on, you broomhead, I know you know.
Red trees. Keep that in mind, guys.
I guess you'll get to meet more Gestrels.
Okay. But first... Aha! Just for merchant, travel across the world, offering rare and powerful artifacts in exchange for chroma. Well, we found some chroma, right? Let's see what he offers. I'm so sorry about that. Oh my god. Let's see what he has. We have 11,000 chroma, right? That's a lot of stuff. But if we fight the merchant, we can unlock a new item that he sells. But we can also buy chroma catalysts. We can use that at camp. We haven't been able to use that yet, but soon, viewers, soon. Call of Lumina, nice. Also, in due time. Let's fight the guy by pressing a square or X for Xbox controller users, and let's go with Maelle. We can show off her skills. Nice beard, bro. Okay. He grew big, right? Okay. Skills. So for her, we want to apply burn first. Because we also have, yeah, we can go to first roll stance if something is burning. So we need to apply burn, right? So let's do that first. 2 times perfect. There we go. Oh, missed it.
Finesse and grace.
So something it burns now. So we go here, R2, do swift stride, then we can go to the virtual stance. There we go. We're now in virtual stance. Let's see if we can. Got him. There we go. Look at that damage. Oh my god. Got him. Exposing attack. Base attack applies defenseless for 1 turn. Okay, let's buy that. Yeah, sure. Better than a sharp stick in the eye. See you all later. Okay, and then let's apply that right away. So basically, basic attack. Who do we use basic attacks with the most? I think that would be Gustav, right? And he already learned all of his Pictos. So, I'm sorry, mobile viewers, this is not yet for you. Exposing attack. So that's 20 speed and 4 critical rate. Yeah, let's change that in for this one. Gain powerful for 1 turn on base attack. Yeah, let's change that for the exposing attack. There we go. Do we have some more luminas we can edit? No, we only have place for... We have one available Lumina point left. Let's see here. We can do marking shots with her. Because we leveled up, we got an additional point, right? So let's use that. And also, Maelle, you have critical burn. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, let's do critical burn. Critical chance on burning enemy. Because she has really high peak damage, right? Single point damage. That's really her thing. Nice. Let's hide the UI for mobile here. Okay. Do we want to... Nice beard, bro. That's a lighting. It's basically sending an array of light or something. Let's go check out really quick back in over there. I really wouldn't want to miss anything. Yeah, more chroma. There we go. I love the scenery of this place. It's so cool. But okay, I guess that's that. That's that. Let's continue onward. Okay, we can we learn some skills here? She has one more. Yeah, she's all good. Some more here. Four. No, we need to save 2 more, and for her, yeah, we need to save up some more as well. We need to wait for Mayhem because we eventually want to go to Elemental Trick and Elemental Genesis, right? Those are the things that we need. Yeah, but this is also really good. Crippling Tsunami, but yeah, that's how much? 5. Oh. Yeah, okay, but we're saving up. We're saving up. Let's go. Over
These
here.
dead Nevrons. Who could have done this?
Guess.
You didn't just stay in your mansion.
Whoa. She's a big girl, huh?
Nice.
Okay, chroma catalysts. We can use that at camp. Okay, nice. But not yet. Not quite yet. Some more Nevrons. What's that? Oh, that's a big boy. Oh my god, that's a big boy. I don't like snakes. At all. At all. So let's get out of here.
68's boat.
That anchor doesn't look mermaid.
Oh, is that an anchor? So, wow. Okay, cool. Look at the scenery, man. The boat, big anchor. Look at that scenery. Let's fight these guys. There we go. Wow. We can do this. They have weak points. So let's expose that. They're not powerless. Let's use Lumiere Assault. This guy. There we go. Nice one.
Is coming.
And then we can use... Do we want to use the ice one over here? Yeah, let's use ice. Not weak. They're not weak to ice. I thought they were weak to ice, but I guess not. Applies defenseless. Yeah. They're... We don't need that. We just need them to... Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Nothing we can do here. We should have used fire, huh? We should have used fire cost. Nice. Okay, well, let's use this on this guy then. Because then at least we can make use of the fire.
Careful, Maelle.
Okay. Ah, I missed the second one. Too bad.
Gustav, don't die.
Nice one. There we go. Okay. first try then. Yeah. Okay, he will be dead next turn. And we can use simulation on him too. Or Earth Rising. That's good. There we go. There we go. And then they both die. Look at him. Beam! All done. Oh, whoo, a new weapon for Maelle. There we go. What's that? It's fire elemental. It has a few more power, but also it raises her agility so she can attack more, like more times. Look at this. Okay, that's a good one. Then okay. What do we have here? Anything in particular? No. So remember, kids, always fight the baddies. Always fight the baddies. Okay, there's one over there. There's also something over here. You scared me, bro. Okay, like we practiced. Shoot the mine. Nice. More of them are now burning. They are not. He is not burning. No. But we can use Lumiere Assault on this bro. Oh, could have just, of course, just shot him because he's flying. And uses 2, right? Yeah, 2. Shoot the guy. Shoot the guy. And then we get 3 because we gave her that picto. Right, nice, man. So we can now shoot the guy once more. Do we want to save the mark? Do we want to save the mark? I'm wondering. Or just use it? If the target is burning, we gain 4 AP back. Let's just do that. There we go. Yeah, and Maelle can finish it. Right? Yeah. You can finish the gun. There we go. And he gone. Ah, missed it. Nice. And then I just shoot the bastard. Bye-bye. Okay. Got a chroma. Catalyst. That is. I think this is actually the way that we are supposed to go. Are we? Yeah. So let's not let's not go there. What do we have over here? Because we are in need of more treasure.
This will be useful.
Yeah? I don't remember this. Cool. Nice. This is some platforming stuff, huh? Okay, there we go. And then we go over here. There we go. New picto.
That will help.
Nice. Augmented aim. Increases our free aim. This is already learned. Who has We're using that a lot with him. What does it give you? 21 speed, 4 critical. Okay, let's... augmented aim. Let's change that up with this one, I think. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. We're now actually learning. We are actually learning. Is there anything else that we can do here? He had a rough time. We can't jump down on anything, right? No. No. Maybe he got killed by that big snake. Swimming snake. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Okay, then again, like we practiced, cuz. Bam. There we go. That's pretty nice. Defenseless. Then, right here. There we go. And then we can use that burning to apply ourselves with the virtual stance. Ah, I missed it. Just shoot the bastard. There we go. Nice. More chroma catalysts. Nice. There must be something over here, right? Feel it in my spidey senses. Aha! Okay. Secret treasure, but we can't reach it yet. So let's go and see if we can do a little detour. Is there something in here? No. Then it must be that alluring gate over here. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a white guy. Yeah. Démineur. Oh, ho, ho. What's he doing? Examine. No, he's not threatening. Oh, he lost his mind. Okay. Let's try to find a mine. Then. There's one over here. That's too big. These are these cool platforming sections that they added. It's a little bit clunky, but oh well. Can't have everything, you know. Mine? Mine? Oh, there we go. Okay, got it. Intact mine. There we go. Let's backtrack a little bit here. Yes. Can we do this in one go? There we go. Nice. Hey, hold this. You're gonna love that, huh? You're gonna love that. Oh.
It said something.
And then oh, a new weapon for Lune. Nice. This could be bad. Nah, let's leave it. But we can equip our new weapon. Lightning based this time around. 20 more power, so that's good. More agility and also more luck. Nice. Okay. That's pretty nice. Oh, we already did this platforming section, so I think that we can now continue our path forward at the leaking lights. Oh, there we go.
It's forging something. So they have intelligence.
Yeah. I got scared. What do we have here? First strike. Okay, so he has got shields. Let's kill this guy first, right? Okay, powerless. Lumiere assault. Yeah, there we go. Nice. And then we can use her. This hits 2 times, right? We could. It's weak to lightning. There we go. Wanted to check that out first, okay. But we don't have actual lightning attacks yet, but oh well. Now we know. And then we can use our Swift Stride to go to. Okay, focus. Ah, I'm so bad at parrying. Okay. She's broken, all right. Okay. We gotta do something about this guy first. Are we? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. But also, we can use Percy. Only 2. It's actually pretty big, man.
Get ready.
Oh my god. God damn it. Uh-oh. Let's actually heal for a change. Yeah, let's go.
I can do.
Yeah. You'll be dead soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's actually a pretty good... hey, we learned exposing attack, but actually a pretty good strategy. And we leveled up our Crueler Ram for Gustav there. They're forging... Oh, no, we found the weapon. Nice. And also... Chroma Catalyst, what we find. We learn. Come on, give me the details. More Chroma Catalysts. Okay, nice. But I think we found something else, right? No. Okay, we found that over there. What do we have here? Ice Elemental. Ice! It says more powerful. Want to use it? Yeah, let's use it. It looks bonkers, dude. Oh, shit. Nice. We learned exposing attack. Yeah. Yeah, we can keep that. Make a little clip of this. And okay. We came from there. We found some treasure. He's making the hooks. It looks like. Did he also make the big hook from before? I would rather not find out. There is a flag. I can use that to rest up here. And I think we'll need it as well. Learn skills. 5, 4. Hey. Consumes all stage, so you deal high elemental. It can break. Before this is actually pretty cool, pretty good. Mayhem. There we go. Can we assign that as well? Malaysian Iceland's 4. It's actually pretty nice. Yeah, and then let's put Mayhem over here. Yeah, then we have that set up over there. We just... Nah, it's okay like this. Okay, we have 5 for him. We need 1 more. For her, we can also learn a new one. That's Fleuret. Oh, this is a big one, guys. This is a really big one. Assign the skill. Fleuret's Flurry. Yep. So once we are in here, we go in here. And we'll never ever use this one, so I would like to put the Fleuret over here. And we can put the offensive switch over here. Guard up. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Nice. Attributes. Yeah, I still don't know what I want to do with that. So we'll leave it at that. We are full. Nice. We can go over here, but we can also go over here. This is the same route. Some more chroma. Better.
Great.
Sharp stick in the eye. Nice. What do we have here? Hey, there we have more pictos.
An advantage.
Yeah. On base attack. Staggering attack. Okay. Who can we give that one? Gustav is also, once again, the only one that's actually using base attacks from time to time. Free aim. Units also remove satisfaction. Yeah, okay, we can do that one. Staggering attack, speed. He's a speedy boy. Right? Yeah, he has all these speed augments. Okay, cool. Nice. Let's go. I love his beard. The lighting in this place is so cool. Okay, what do we have up next? So, some lights over here. Whoa! Oh my god. He scared the shit out of me. Bro. Okay. Okay. There we go. Then we can use Lumiere Assault to get... Do we want to get him first? Yeah, let's get him first, right? Yeah. Let's not make the same mistake that we did before. So, apply burn on the guy. There you go. Burn, and then we can use Maelle to gain Virtuos out of that. Virtual stands there, and he's dead. Okay, we can do this. We can do it.
Let's spill some.
Yep, stanceless. There we go. Put him to. Put him off. Hiya. Okay, combo. Do we have to dodge this then or something? I guess we do. Okay, now has 10 overcharge. He's a big boy. He's burning, so we can do this thing again. Where we can go back to third phase. We have nothing for. Okay. Yeah. We are virtuos. And now We can do Red Flurry for 6. And we stay in virtual stance. So let's see what this does, huh? There we go. Beam! Oh, ho! Big one. We learned nothing, right? No. Okay. Don't scare me like that again, please. So, where'd you come from? Here.
An advantage.
Oh. Once per turn. Dealing damage to a marked target. We can give that to... What do you want? Killing an enemy, that's a good one. Can we give that to her? Oh. Perfect dodge. Okay. I thought we gave that to her. Okay, but that's actually really good on her. To apply mark on free aim shots. Okay, cool. A perfect dodge. We don't need the perfect dodge, right? Rewarding mark. Yeah, let's give it to her. Okay, and then remove the perfect dodge one. I think we can... Ah, the perfect shell. Yeah. We can do that. Nice. Okay. So we came in from here. Then this blew up. Okay, nice. Oh, this is... There we go. First strike. That's one. Lumiere Sol. Good one. There we go. Then let's place some burning on the guy. There we go. And then we can use that for Maelle. Let's strike. And that's one down. Ah. That's one. Nice. Okay, nice one. We got that one down. So we can use a normal attack on this guy. Got him. Now we can use the Flurry on this guy. Killed him. In one go. There we go. Hoppa. Nice. And what do we have here?
An advantage.
An advantage. We learned augmented aim, nice. But what do we have here? More color of lumina. Well, like I said, better than a sharp stick in the eye. Carry on. Yeah, big hits, huh? That little girl is one hell of a powerful one.
Interesting.
Is it that girl? Give me your chroma. Okay. Big hits. I feel something's coming up here. That's ominous looking. Okay. Oh, that's the puzzle thing. Yeah. We have to shoot some stuff in the environment here. The locks. Can we find some here? We have one here. Okay, let's go this way first. Let's see if we can find some over here. There's something purple over there. We can find that. Well, let's see if we can find a path there. My English is something, so. Okay. Hop. Hop. I am the platforming god. Gustav from Lumiere. Okay, what do we have here?
Well,
More Lumina.
That will help.
Color of Lumina. Better than nothing. Do we have some blocks we can shoot from here? We have to scour the environment. Nice, nice pose there, Maelle. Okay, I have no clue. We have one over there. That's one. Okay, that's one. Then we have a second one over here. Oh my god, 3 of them. Bam! 3. Okay, and they're all shielded. Oh my god, they're all shielded, huh? Then that asks for a different kind of solution. 1, 2, 3. Marked fire, so we're gonna use that for Maelle. This is the target for Lune. So let's... Okay, and then we can attack this guy as well. And then we do Earth Rising, so we can damage all targets. Right? Oh, no. Let's do Immolation on this guy, yeah. Apply more burn. More burning! Swift Stride. I guess he's the first target then. Okay. Nice.
Get ready.
Okay.
Lune, watch out.
Yep. Heal the target for 30% of health. Because she is stunned, motherfucker. She can do anything. We are in Virtuose stance, right? He's not marked anymore, huh? So we can't use Flurry now. So we have to use Percy and hope it kills it. Well, that killed it. Shell is above the reduces. Okay, it's because we had that because of the. Dodge it there. Nice. There we go. Nice one. Yeah. Okay. What's the big idea now? Let's go for this guy, I think. Yeah, nice. Then we can use our Swift Stride again to get back into Virtuose stance. We can use Thermal Transfer, yeah, then we get 4 AP back. Yeah. Okay, nice. Just hit the man. A thing, I guess. Okay, we can... Bam! That's pretty nice. Ah, he shielded again. Okay. But then we can use the Flurry on the big boy. There we go. That's it. 3 hits. Nice. 2 hits. What do we have here? We can heal. Let's heal. Yeah, let's heal. Because she's in quite the patrol. There we go. Now we can use overcharge next turn. Yeah. Nice. He's gone. He's not gone. Okay. In Virtual Sense, it only costs 2, right? Yeah, we really need to get rid of this then. Does it even matter? Okay. Let's go for this guy. Nice damage, though. Isolates? Sure. Sure. Ah. Okay, we need one more of those locks. One more. Where could it be? Found it. There we go. Nice. And what we have for our troubles? A revive tint. Nice. So we have now 3 of those. Okay. That's pretty awesome, actually. That's pretty awesome. That means that we can fuck up three times from now on, right? Okay. Oh, that was actually pretty good, man. Nice. Nice. There we go. Okay. Reverse back in here. Nice. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, this is story time.
Expedition 68, Elodie. It's a miracle any of us survived. We were caught in the maelstrom and flung from wave to wave. We lost the moon and the stars, condemned to a never-ending darkness of punishing rain and raging clouds. The Paintress sent a storm to overcome us. But it is we who have overcome the storm. After surviving that, crushing those Nevrons was almost an afterthought. Strength and resilience, it's how we survived that storm. And it's how we grabbed victory. It wasn't even a battle. It was an ink bath. We squeezed those Nevs dry. But this new one...
Uh-oh.
Looks tougher than the others.
Uh-oh. Well, let's see what we got over there. The big boat we saw in the beginning. This was basically the leader of that expedition who was mentioned back in there. The boat we saw in the beginning, that was their boat. And the storm that she was talking about is, yeah, well, we all read it, right? Let's go.
So many. I don't like this.
Look at this. Okay, let's go home. Bye-bye. We're not doing this. Nope. Nope. Okay, we have to do this, right? Okay, let's go. Look at the size of that boy. Wow.
Gigantic.
Gigantic, that is.
Those at all costs.
Yeah. Please. Look at the slimy little thing. Nope. Let's have a kiss, huh? No, please don't. Oh, Let's go this way first. Oh, a mime. Let's go. We got this. You all know what that means. A new outfit. Yeah! Music! Okay, he's got shields now. Let's start out with Lumiere Assault. The shields are gone. Then let's apply fire so that we can use that with Maelle. Right? We can use the Swiss Stride for her. There we go, and the virtual stance is all up. Then, with regular attack, we can apply defenseless. That's actually very nice. Bah! That's how I like to see it. Okay. His break bar is nowhere near completion, so let's continue. We could use Spark. I think we'll actually do that. I think we'll actually go for Spark this turn. Because the burning is really good, I presume. Okay, we can do ice damage here. Because then we gain 4 AP. Nice. Okay, don't use overcharge yet. We can use powerful. But let's not. Just save up those.
I'll do it.
Oh my god. That's bad. She's silenced up. Oh my god. Swift strike. Yeah. We can do this. Small medium thing. Yeah, let's see what.
Feeling better.
Oh, we had the Picto going on. Yeah. That's actually pretty good. Okay, no overcharge yet. Don't do it. Just take it easy. We can try and increase. The break bar a little bit. No, that's not doing it. Just go for it.
Watch out.
Is this enough?
I'm ready.
Is this enough? No, huh? It's not yet enough. This is not yet enough. We can do this one once more so that we stay. No, she's stanceless. God damn it. Okay. We can break, right? If 4 stains are... okay, we can't break yet. We cannot break yet, but we can use... Let's increase that fire damage. Sure, no problem. And then break the guy with overcharge.
Let me paint death.
Okay, he's broken. We can now start doing some real damage. Going good. Going good. There we go. Nice. And then we can do... what do we want to do? He is burning. Then we can apply powerful? No. Lumiere Assault. Let's go for it, yeah. Okay. Ah, the last one. Damn it. Nothing to worry about. We can use the Fleuret Flurry. I think that's enough.
Precision.
Almost. Okay.
A storm is coming.
Then this will be enough, right? Mayhem. Bang. And we got a new haircut. Nice. Nice. There we go. And what do we have here?
An advantage.
Holler of Lumina. What's this? Is that from the ship? Fallen loot from the ship. Okay. Carry on. Nothing to see here? No. Nothing to see here. Nice. On my first playthrough, I actually avoided all of them because I thought they were so hard. But, not so much. So we can go in here, but we could also go through this secret passage. Nice. Oh, it's a big boy. Let's heal up, because we are gonna try and kill this guy. No, not the first strike. Powerful. Let's go.
Let me help.
Yes, there we go. Apply. 3 burns. There we go. Okay. Get some more AP. Nice. Uh-oh. No! Okay, we lost Lune. Good job, game. We can't use... He is burning, yeah, he's burning, right? Okay, that's just... Uh-oh.
Ready to parry.
Okay, nice counter, man. That was actually pretty easy to perform. And I totally forgot to put on the battle UI. Nice. Okay, what do we have? We have Lumiere Assault going on. Next turn we have Overcharge.
Finesse and grace.
And we have Virtual Stance going on, so we can use a Fleuret Flurry right away. So that's because of our parry, right? Big damage. Nice. Uh-oh. First try, dude. Okay, Overcharge. Can we break him? Already? No. Am I going to? No, I can't risk it, right?
For those who come after.
Oh, he's broken. He's broken. Wow. I thought you had to have the bar filled, right? Okay. Nothing. I meant to do that. Ha! Carry on. Low fire damage applies defenseless. We are in we can do nothing here. Do a normal attack? I don't know what to do. Offensive switch, sure. Broken anyway. Let's go. Full force. While it was broken. Okay. Nothing left here. Fire.
Feel the burn.
Watch out.
Oh my god, again. again. He really seems to like her, huh? Okay. He is burning again, so we can. We still can't use it. Low fire damage. Let's just do a normal attack. There we go. And then with him, we can do a normal attack as well. Okay. Ah! Nice counter. Nice counter, actually. Oh, new status effect. Exhausted is a status effect that prevents the character from gaining AP from any sources. This is actually pretty bad. But we're almost done, so. Swiss stride. Yeah, for good measure. Sure. And we got him. We got the bastard. We got him good. Oh my god. And we got a new weapon. And we learned augmented counter. Did we? No, we got a new picto and we got a new weapon. Wow. A skin. Virgin skin and a chroma. That's some pretty good loot, dude. Nice. 25% increased counter attack damage. That's pretty nice. Do we want to have that on Lune? Where do we want to have that? Dealing damage to a marked character. 90 health. She could use that pretty much, actually. Yeah, sure. Let's give her that. Yeah. Okay. And who got the new weapon? For Gustav. So we had 2 new weapons in this area for him. That's actually pretty good. And we don't really need the element in here, so let's just switch to this guy. Oh, that's looking pretty cool, actually. Nice. For her, nothing. Nothing! Okay, let's go. What was the thing he learns from it? Oh, nothing. He has nothing. You have nothing to gain from here. Okay. Just a cool looking sword and gun, huh? Oh. That's a good one. The skin. First try. I remember having a lot of trouble with this guy on my first playthrough. Carry on. And a new flag. Well. God. Stop doing that game! Stop it! Okay. Carry on. Rest. Sure. I learn skills. What we have? We have the shatter skill to all enemies, and it can break. Oh, and if the target is broken by the hit, overcharge is full. That's pretty nice. Let's go. Yeah, let's put it in here. Sure. Overcharge, shatter. That's a pretty cool combo, actually. Can break? No, they have to break with this one. Yeah. 2. 2! I wanted to go with this, right? Yeah, Sword Ballad is her ultimate attack. So I really want to go for that one. Nice. Let's go back to Gustav. Didn't someone say a red tree before the gestural? Let's check out what's over here first.
Melancholy beauty.
Yeah.
A lone outpost of humanity nestled amongst the corals. A sailor lost at sea.
A resident cynic is now a poet.
Wouldn't expect a Cartesian engineer to understand beauty.
Yeah. Well, thank you for the compliment. Yes. Aha! Okay. First strike. Let's take care of this guy first. Yeah. Nice. He is burning already, so we can thermal transfer in our favor now. Yes, and we can use the switch stride to gain vertical stance again. Okay, we can dodge that. This is actually pretty good because we hit him 3 times by doing that, and that removes his shield entirely. Nice. That's pretty nice. Okay, one more. And then we can use her Fleuret Flurry. Basically knock him out. In one go. In one go. There we go. Nice. Nope. Yeah, we're going from there. All right. So what do we have here? Are we supposed to go here? I think so. I don't think so. Only to find some hidden treasure.
That will help.
Where? Oh. More dead people? I see dead people. Oh, you're a scary looking dude. You're a scary looking dude, my friend. Okay. Ha! Bam! For boss time!
Brace yourselves.
Oh my, almost had him. We really need to heal. Right? Second. Yeah, we need to heal. Okay.
On me.
I missed them both? Oh wow. Okay. Apply burn. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. Thermal transfer. There we go. Okay. Then we get 2 at 2.
Okay.
What the hell happened?
Dodge Gustav. Let us stay then.
Okay. I have no clue what happened there. We have 3 revive tins, right? Let's revive this guy.
Get ready.
This is impossible. He got us. Okay. Let's try again. I think we can do this, but this weird looking second attack he did. This one. I don't know what to do here. Okay. No. Revive. Her. Guard up, I guess.
Shields up.
Yeah, we need more defense.
I'm ready.
Ah!
That hurts.
Okay, but we can heal, right? Yeah, we can heal. Nice. What the hell, dude? Spark? Please? Okay, defensive. That's nice. How do you dodge this? Impossible, dude. What the hell? Okay.
Gustav, don't die!
Nah, bro.
Let us stay.
Okay, nice.
Gustav, don't die!
Ah! Okay, nice. Our first counter of the day. Oh my god. I guess we need to guard up. It doesn't matter. I guess that we revive Gustav again.
You can't leave us
We
here.
try to heal Gustav. Oh, we can't heal him. Oh my god. Okay, let's put him on fire. It's impossible to dodge this one attack. Okay. I guess that we'll go all out. No clue what to do else.
Get ready.
I suck at this game. Okay. One more try. We got this, guys. We got this.
Brace yourself.
Okay.
Second wind.
Heal up.
On guard.
Guard up.
Shields out.
A storm is coming.
Maelle, look out!
Second one's.
Danger! A storm is coming.
Impossible, dude.
I'll do it.
Bam. Gone. What is his secret? What is his secret? Well, get the timing right. That's for sure. But oh my god.
Let's dance.
Ah, missed the last one. Okay, that did nothing. I can heal her. I thought maybe in some chance. Ah, last one. Come on.
Brace yourself.
Come on, man. That's the one to do it with.
Let's spill some ink.
Fail at this so bad. Okay. Just go for good luck. Good measures. Okay, got it. In one go.
Blades sharp.
Revive. Gustav. There we go.
Still need your help.
Okay. Oh, let's go. Okay, good one. Let's go.
I'm back. Let's push forward.
Okay.
Nope.
Please survive.
Yeah, I don't know what happens at the third one. You can't. You don't get any indications or something. Normally you can hear when an attack is landing, but there's also a really bad visual cue. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Okay. Let's slow the guy down. Yeah, let's slow the guy down. Maybe that will help or something. Oh my god.
I can do it.
This is supposed to be easy.
I won't disappoint.
Tricky shot, of course. Impossible to perform. Okay, we gotta go. We got another go. Go, go, go. Maybe. Come on. Okay, nice. And we are in virtual stance. Ah, come on. You can do this.
Not looking good.
Okay, but he can be broken now. He can be broken. And we are in virtual stance. Nice.
Ready to parry.
Oh my god. And gone. But slowing him down.
Finesse and grace. Flames on me.
Okay, burn.
A storm is coming.
Slow the guy down. Please, slow him down.
Ice, shut.
Okay.
Ready to evade.
I can do it.
Yeah. Right. Okay, let's go.
Not leaving you behind.
Okay. Somehow. It did. No.
Flames
There's
on me.
guarding now. Oh, it's the last hit, man. Okay, can we do this one more time, please? Because we really need her.
That
Slow him
hurts.
down. Again. Tricky shot, of course. Ah. Hey, we lived. Oh my god, we lived. Okay.
I'm not giving up.
We are sure not. Hell not giving up. Please. That way.
Let's push forward.
One more chance.
Lune, watch out.
Oh my god. Okay. Did we get it?
Let's push forward.
Please? Nothing is able to break. And we can give her this. Oh my god, come on.
Not looking good.
Okay. You are ready to yeah, you are ready to be broken.
Finesse and precision. Let's dance.
Okay, we are getting closer and closer. And closer. Okay, good one. Nice. That means that we can use those hits up a little bit more. We can use our... let's not use our guard up. Okay. This has to be one of the hardest, toughest mini bosses I've ever faced. Tricky shot. Okay. Dodge, dodge, dodge. Yeah, got it. Okay, got it down. Tricky shot. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. We can survive now. Okay, let's do this. Let's try this.
No margin for error.
This. And then... Okay, there's two things we can do. Let's just slow him down again. I think that's the wisest choice we have right here. Okay, tricky shot. Oh my god, I'm dodging it. I'm doing it. Okay. Shatter. He's broken.
Spill some ink.
Oh my god, he's broken. And we are in virtual. Oh my god, we can totally. Yeah, it costs 2, right? Okay. Please. Mark. Oh, no mark. Okay. Okay, Gustav is next. We give him the energy. We have overcharge left, right? We have overcharge left and he's broken. Oh my god.
For those who come after.
Oh, it doesn't do shit, man. Oh, okay, Constantino. Okay, we live. We live. We're good.
Not looking good.
Can we... More burn, please.
Gustav, don't touch. Okay.
I think we got this. I think we got this. Let's go. Oh my god, we got this. Finally. That was like try number 10 or something. Oh my god. Jesus. That guy was hard. Troubadim, nice. For Lune. I am actually pretty... Oh. Troubadim. That's the new one. It's already level 4. 3 aim shots do an additional... Oh. Oh, the 50. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, sure. It has no direct element or something, but... Oh my god, this guy. He wrecked me. Totally wrecked me. Huh. Really? We're back here? Where we fought the big guy? Where we fought the big guy? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh, I think we're going the wrong way. Lol. I'm sorry. We fought him here, right? Yeah, this is where we fought the guy. The Troubadour. El Troubadour. And then we went back here. No, no, we're actually... Oh, we're back in here. Okay, nice. Good stuff. Okay, not good stuff. Good stuff. Look at those guys. All beaten up. Oh, what a game. What a game. He totally wrecked me, dude. But he who perseveres will be the last one to laugh. Huh? Okay, we got this. They shouldn't be that much of a threat right now. Okay. Okay. Bam. And then we do Lumiere Assault and bam. And bam.
Chroma is flowing.
We've got this locked down. This is the order of doing things. No. Yeah, there we go. Okay, gone. He gone. We got one. Okay, normal attack, please. Yes, there we go. And then we can use Percy. Bye-bye. Nice. And we got some more treasure over here. Nice. What do we have here? Nothing. Nothing. And look at what is in here. Energy thin shard. That's also a pretty good one. That's a permanent increase, actually. Yeah, let's just do this, and then let's do this. That guy is done. He is also gone. And then we can do normal attack. Yeah, defenseless. We apply a burn right away, so that Maelle can use Swift Stride to gain virtuose stance. And he performs a nice combo. We dodged it perfectly. I think we can't parry that one because it instantly breaks you, right? So that's why I didn't parry it. Now we can shatter him. We have enough. Nah, let's go for Lumiere Assault. Yeah, Percy is the end of the big baddie. We continue. Augmented counter learned. Nice. Oh, nice bench you got there. This looks a lot like Lumiere, right? Oh well. Oh, he's coming for you. X coming, get it for you. I'm gonna get it for you. Okay. No. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Don't try and do something else. Okay, he gone. Nice. Oh, you ain't got nothing on me, bitch. Nice one, Gustav. Okay. Anything in here? No. No. Okay. So, we only haven't gone up here. I think we came from there. Yeah, we came from there. Entered here. We didn't see what's up here yet. So let's see what we can do. This guy. I think we can go to the right when we're finished here. Okay. First strike. Good. There's a burn on the move right now. So we can deviate from the plan because there's already a burn on it. So we could do Ready? Sure. Sure. That's pretty nice. I didn't expect that to happen, but
I'll do it.
there we go. And he did. He died because of fire. Okay. Now, what do we have here? Okay. More treasure? I guess we do. Versatile. Once again, that's actually something for our big friend Gustav over here. Because on base damage, free aim damage, I don't really like the free aim damage one. Base attack pass, this is good. And oh, we have two. Free a pre on breaking a target. Well, he's our breaker. So yeah. And also let's give him versatile as well then. Nice. Versatile. That's actually pretty good. So we're gonna stick with this setup right now. There's nothing else we can do here, right? No. So let's just go and jump down. Okay. Then let's continue onwards here. Onwards. Expeditions 59. Rest. Yeah, we need to rest up. Really big. Okay, like oh yeah, like we can see right there, down there, we have the 3 energy tints as well. Can we learn some new skills? 1, 2, 2. Okay, no, we're good. Saving in progress. Then, surely there won't be a boss battle over here. Like the thing that killed the entire expedition. 59, I think it was. Was it? Journal? 68? That killed entire expedition 68? No, right? What a beautiful flower. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I said don't touch it. Don't touch it, Gustav. Oh, he did it anyway.
Watch out!
Oh my god. That's a big gesture. Is it a gesture?
It only attacked when...
It's coming.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I told you. Don't touch it.
Parry it.
Okay. So that's not that hard to parry. I thought he went for the groundbreaking thing. Oh well. Lumina Assault. Do we get rid of his shield right away? Also,
Let's spill some ink.
let's put on. Hear that music, dude. What will we do here? Apply fire or apply guard up? Let's apply guard up.
Shields up.
And then we can apply fire
Feel
with
the
her.
burn.
Nice.
Gustav,
Melee.
go down.
Okay, that's also not that hard.
Brace yourselves.
Okay. Nice. Got that one. 10 of 10 overcharge. We can use overcharge right away, I think. Yeah, sure.
For those
Why
who
not?
come off.
Nice. And he's broken. Wow. Okay. In that case, I think we can just... Should we do this? Yeah, let's stick to the plan. Get her to a virtual stance.
Let
Sure.
the ink flow.
But she can use thermal transfer or ice lance. We have the... Yeah, we do have the AP to do that. So I think that we can... Ice lance, maybe get another turn out
Ice.
of
Shatter.
it. There we go. Or we don't. Nice. Let's use recovery. Yeah. And then with her, because we have the virtual stance right now,
Finesse and
we can
precision.
use it 2 times.
Chroma
Stay
is
in it.
flowing.
And if we use the thermal transfer now, it's not burning anymore, huh? No. No. No, no. But we can use ice lance again. Then we have 4. Yeah, then we have 4 stains. Yeah. Then we can use mayhem. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's actually pretty good, because we have mayhem after. Right? Or do we? We could also use Shatter on all enemies. He's weak to lightning. Nice. And we can use Percy. Nice. Ah, yeah. Too bad. We can use mayhem, and we can break. Broken again. There we go. Nice one. Overcharge is ready. And damage.
On me.
Nothing. Normal attack. Uh-oh. Good plan. Yes. We live. And I think this could be it, right? Yeah. We got it. Nice. So, well, a lot of battle loot actually. Shape of health. I have no clue what that is. I guess we're about to find out.
Gustav, wait!
It seems peaceful. As long as we don't touch the flowers.
Don't touch the flowers.
Yeah, let's not get too sentimental. It's still a painter's creation.
Putain! Damn, Maelle, what was that?
It felt familiar somehow.
Gustav, we won't understand what's going on if we kill everything that moves.
Look, a red tree. The Gestural village must be ahead.
She is right. But why did it feel familiar somehow?
You know what Neverons are capable of.
She'll be fine.
If only it could tell us.
She'll be fine.
But sadly, it can't talk. Oh, can be used at camp to upgrade the healing tint. That's pretty nice. So it was hiding back there, I think. Something. Do we have any secrets here? No. I guess we don't. Then let's continue onwards. What do we have here? I hear bad things. Very bad things I hear. But I won't be too certain because I see an exit over here. With all the ripples in the field, in the texture over here. Yeah, that means that we've basically made it to the exit. Hey! Level finished. This was actually a pretty long level, eh? Oh. Story time. Uh-oh. Who are you? That's messed up, dude.
Still too far.
Being out here isn't what I expected.
As expected. Hey. You okay?
Death out here's not like death in Lumiere, is it? I thought I was used to losing people. I've have a foster child, right?
I guess so.
But not like that. On the beach. That man.
Yeah, I know. Neverons we were prepared for, but not.
Not an old man.
And now
No.
we finally found other survivors, and it's. You know, that's the insidious thing about the Gamage. It's predictable, almost gentle. It makes Lumiere complacent and accepting, but the Gamage is equally violent than death. Death is just as final.
Yeah, pretty much.
I've been having nightmares.
Yeah, me too. Look, if death approaches, I want you to run. No, promise me. Run. Especially if we meet the man from the beach. We can't face him. You see him, you run.
Only if you do the same.
Oh, I'm running as soon as I see a strand of white hair. Trust me. You won't even see me. I'm running so fast.
Oh, please, you're an old man. I can outrun you any day.
Yeah, right. There was a time when 30 was young, you know.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I'm ancient, I guess. Is he haunting me in my sleep? He's been giving the nightmares, huh? Please go. Please don't stay. I'll haunt you in your sleep.
I hope we can trust him.
Hmm.
Well, at least we can upgrade our...
Hello? Oh, sorry. I thought I was just speaking his language, you know? Well, actually, he's actually pretty useful. Because we can upgrade our weapons and expedition resources here. You know, all those color of luminas? Oh, no, not the color of luminas. Oh, yeah. We can use the color of luminas to increase, well, our lumina points here. So that's actually pretty cool. And also the shape of health we found after defeating the last boss. Well, we can use that to upgrade our healing tint. Ah, that's pretty nice. So let's start by doing that. So we have three of everything. And here we can use our lumina points. We have 23. Yeah. I like to space it out evenly. So one like this. Like so. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we all have 19 lumina points. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. And then we can basically add more luminas to our characters. And if we can also upgrade our expedition resources. Upgrade our weapons. I'm sorry. And here we can use those chroma catalysts that we've been finding all around. The Curator can upgrade weapons, and the list of available weapons when the current character is shown on the left. It can be sorted by power level or alphabetically. Weapons are the main source of attack power. Passive effects from weapons can't be learned as Lumina and are only active if the weapon is equipped. Weapons also scale the damage from some of your attributes. For example, a weapon that scales with agility means that the more agility a character has, the more damage the weapon will deal. Its scaling power is defined by the associated letter ranking from D to S. There we go. Thank you. And the Curator can upgrade your weapons using a chroma catalyst. Upgrading weapons increases their attack power and attribute scaling and can unlock new passive effects at specific rarity levels. Weapons of different qualities require different chroma catalysts to be upgraded. Well, thank you so much, Curator, for the explanation. There we go. So, for Lune, well, she actually has a level 4 weapon here. And but I don't really like her weapon that much that she has right now. Yeah, increased free aim damage. We're not using it that much. What we do like to have is we could actually increase one of those. 115 is pretty good, and I reckon. But oh well, better than a sharp stick in the eye, I guess. Yeah, I think I am waiting with my upgrades, weapon upgrades, because I just don't know what to do. I think we're getting more and better weapons in the future, so let's wait for that. And you stay here, buddy. Don't come to our sleeping place. I'm watching you. Yeah, I'm watching you. Don't you do anything funny, bro. Okay, I think he's staying there. Oh, run! Run! Guys, did you see that creepy guy over there? Oh my god. This scary looking dude. Okay, first, let's have some music from back home, huh? Hello, Lune.
How did the Gestrels survive out here?
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
We're about to find out.
I can't
Are we?
wait to ask them.
Oh,
Gestrels.
Oh,
Told you Gestrels were real.
yeah, you did.
You did not.
No?
Well, I thought it.
Ah. Nice.
Told you Gestrels.
Yeah. Okay, you're repeating the same thing, basically. Let's check up on the others. While we are sleeping. She can play guitar pretty good.
Been a long time since I've seen you play.
Yeah.
A Gestral village.
Yeah. I still can't believe they exist. I mean, what other fairy tales are real?
This is ultimately a war of information.
The Tooth Fairy?
There's still too much we don't understand. Where the paintress is,
Bigfoot?
why she does what she does.
Shut up, cuz.
Who is she?
Watch the movie. Okay, I'm sorry.
Years and we still barely know anything.
And the man on the beach. Yeah, too many unknowns. But if we take down the paintress, at least that gives future generations a chance to unravel the mystery.
Right? Right?
You seem better than before.
Yeah. Holding it together. Shock's worn off. A bit. We can't bring anyone back. But I thought we can keep their spirit alive by pushing forward. And at least there's 3 of us now. The mission hasn't changed.
No.
Tomorrow comes.
Tomorrow comes.
Tomorrow comes.
Good stuff, Lune. Nice. Okay. What else do we have here? Write in the journal. Sure. Carry on. Yeah. Yeah. It was pretty useful. Not for the super boss. It didn't do jack shit. Oh well. Current objective: find the Gestral village in the middle of the ancient sanctuary to find a way across the sea. Oh. But first, let's save up here. We need to rest up. A proper rest. Because as we all know, you can only rest in this game if you actually press the rest button. Not by lying down or something. There we go. 1 skill point, 3 skill points. Okay, we need 1 more. Right? Elemental trick. It's 4 hits. This is pretty good. Okay, we'll get that after. And she now has the breaking rules. Nice. That's amazing, actually. Where are we going to put that? We're never using this, huh? Never using this. No, we're not gonna use that. This could be situational. This is really good. This is really good. So let's switch it up like this. Nice. Okay. And once again, I have no clue what to do with these yet. Huh. They messed up the placing of the first character. See that? Huh. Nice. They shifted the pixel a little bit. Okay. Guys. I don't want to be a party pooper, but we have had a really, really, really nice stream going on here. And we're gonna leave it at here. Leave it right here. I do have a week off from work, so I guess we're doing some more streams later this week. Depends on how the day will go, but I guess we'll do another run somewhere there in a few days. So be sure to follow the channel. Be sure to follow the channel on Twitch, subscribe on YouTube, and also leave a like if you're at it. We could really use the support. You have already been supporting us and our channel really good already, and I can't thank you any more for that. So really thank you so much for your support. Don Schwimpa, thank you for the bits, thank you for the support with actual donations, and everybody else who has been watching and following us along. You're amazing, and hope to see you again in the coming week for another Let's Play. Guys, this is really it for me right now. I hope to see you soon, and yeah, have a nice evening, and bye bye.